My name is Sonia Hennessy and I live in Whitby, Ontario, just on Nickel Avenue there. So I started having problems with my teeth and then I got a denture in that wasn't a permanent, which caused a lot of problems, and it was never fit, it was never in properly. The bottom denture I never used because it didn't fit, it was just too painful. I had no confidence and I think I walked around for 10 years with my hand over my mouth. Well, health-wise, I couldn't eat properly, so my weight kept plummeting, and I have an eating disorder and this was not what I wanted. I didn't want my weight to drop. I lived on dentures for a long time.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sheri Margolian. I'm a dentist and I focus on implant surgeries and cosmetic dentistry. Sonia came to me for the first time for a consultation and she was already in a removable denture on the top and not many teeth left on the bottom, and she came looking for a change, something that would stay in better, have her smiling better, and we went from there.
She gave me options because I was told because of my bone decay, because I have brittle bone disease, I'd never be able to get a full implant. And then Dr. Sheri told me that was wrong, that she could build up my gum and put a denture in. So
we decided to go with a permanent on the top, and for the bottom she chose to have a clip-on denture with crowns on her remaining teeth.
I was scared as well because when they did the surgery, I thought, how are they ever going to fix this now? But she just kept reassuring me and then showing me pictures of what it's going to look like. And then I stopped being afraid and just left my mouth in her hands then. They were wonderful, absolutely wonderful. Well, now I can visit people, my sister-in-law, and I can smile in front of my partner without doing this, or walking by a mirror and thinking, oh yeah, I forgot I had teeth. Because for so long I wouldn't even look in a mirror, ever. And I stopped FaceTiming with people, like my friends in Ireland, because I didn't want them to see how bad my teeth had got. So, yeah. Now I can't stop smiling.